Here, I'd like to introduce a smart product that can genuinely boost your work and study efficiency, the NarTick AI e-ink calendar. It's not just an electronic calendar, it's also an AI voice assistant and a productivity hub designed to help you focus on core tasks. Featuring a sleek e-ink display, it offers crisp visuals that are easy on the eyes. So what kind of changes can this device, quietly sitting in the corner of your desk, bring to your daily lives? The packaging is very minimalist. Opening the box, the device itself is right on the top. The design is very simple, featuring only a USB-C port and a power button on the body. Beyond that, there are no additional ports or buttons on the sides. All interactions are primarily through voice commands and cloud. The front features a 6-inch e-ink display, 1024 by 758 resolution, 212 ppi. While its specs aren't that high-end, it offers advantages unmatched by OLED or LCD screens. First, unlike smartphones or tablets, it doesn't reflect light. Whether under bright window light or office lighting, it remains perfectly readable without needing to crank up the brightness. Second, since it doesn't emit light, there's no flickering. It also displays text with a texture close to printed paper and offers wider viewing angles. This delivers a reading experience similar to paper. Third, and my favorite feature, is its incredibly low power consumption. Paired with a 3200 mAh battery, it delivers astonishing battery life. Officially rated for up to 2 weeks, my real usage confirms this. You will almost forget it needs charging. NarTick's core feature is this GPT-5 powered AI voice assistant. Simply tell it your schedule just like how you would speak to a person. For example, you can say, NarTick, schedule a project meeting for Wednesday next week at 3 p.m. It creates the appointment almost instantly. In testing, its recognition speed and accuracy are impressive, consistently getting my intentions correctly. Even more powerful is its ability to answer queries like, NarTick, what's on my schedule for tomorrow morning? It responds instantly with a voice reply. This interaction feels far more intuitive and efficient than flipping through apps on your phone. It also has a pretty neat feature, voice reminders. Unlike a phone that just dinging, it actually talks to you. For example, it might say you have a video conference in 10 minutes. This kind of reminders is way more effective than just glancing at a phone notification. It also comes with a built-in Pomodoro timers and Eisenhower matrix, which is incredibly useful for someone like me who needs forced focus. The Eisenhower matrix requires a setup before the app, helping you prioritize tasks. Now let's take a look at NarTick's most basic yet core feature, multi-platform calendar sync. I know many products claim to sync calendars, but they lack true integration. So you might accept a meeting in Lark but forget to sync it to your personal Google Calendar, leading to scheduling conflicts. Or you might only check your phone calendar and miss a colleague's newly updated meeting time in Lark. That's why NarTick isn't a traditional switch account view. Instead, it breaks down all your schedules across every account, then rearranges them chronologically on your single screen. What you see is no longer a collection of isolated calendars, but a complete timeline. This timeline includes both your company log meetings and your personal Google Calendar gathering with friends. So when I saw NarTick, I thought its concept was brilliant. It takes your digital schedule and displays it right on your desk using an e-ink screen like a Kindle. You don't need to do anything, it just sits there, always showing your schedule. With just a glance, you know what time your meeting is today or your appointment tomorrow. After using it for a while, my biggest takeaway isn't how much cutting-edge tech it has, but how it made my perception of time clearer. It acts like a faithful backdrop, showing me where my time is allocated and make me feel more in control of my life, rather than being led by constant notifications. If you often feel distracted by your phone, struggle with memory, or wish for a more composed work state, devices focus on ambient display and voice interaction might be worth exploring. Alright, those are my genuine impressions after using NarTick recently. Do you think such a desktop device could be helpful for you? Feel free to share your thought in the comment section. This is Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.